This week I'm testing the brand new Honda HRV. It's a 4-seater SUV and this is the bottom-spec petrol model. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Honda HRV there are actually only 2 rear seats. Honda omitted to install a top tether anchorage in the central seat, which meant they're not allowed to have a seatbelt there and they're not allowed to have 3 seats in the back. So it's only a 2 rear seat car. Now there are ISOFIX in both the rear seats. They are within plastic guides and really lovely and easy to access and connect. And also the top tether anchorages are really nice and easy to access and connect to through the boot too. Now I could easily install 2 Infosecure child seats in the back here. I've got the Achieve More and the Attain More and they fit really nicely. And without a central seat there, they've got really nice space around them too. Our legroom is fantastic in the HRV. It's one of its best points, I think. We could easily, with a rear-facing Infosecure child seat, fit a 186cm driver or passenger in front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Now, these rear seats in the Honda HRV also have something called magic seats, where if you take out your child seats, you can fold up the base and it allows you a really nice big storage space for an IKEA or a Bunnings trip or something like that. Now, there are no rear aircon vents in this bottom-spec VIX model. However, the top-spec hybrid model does have rear air vents as well as rear USB sockets. Storage in the back of the Honda HRV is quite minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In the door there aren't actually door bins, there's just a little drink well which would hold a small water bottle, or a coffee cup fits in there too, and there's the little handles in the doors too. There is 1 mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat, has a little phone storage area, and it will hold and conceal an iPad too. In the back of the central console box there are 2 storage areas for phones too. Storage in the front is much better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There is a small central console box behind them, and in front of the gear lever there are 2 phone charging shelves, and you've got USB sockets and 12 volt there too. The glove box is a good size in the front. That would hold my iPad and wallet with the manual. And the door bins are a much better size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and a wallet, and there's also the storage handle wells too. Now, this bottom-spec HRV does not come with a hands-free tailgate. That is also reserved for the top-spec hybrid model. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 5 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 2 shopping bags, a single pram and 2 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Now, the Honda HRV is a revvy little car to drive. It feels nice and light though. Really good for just nipping around town. Being so small, it's got a tiny turning circle, although I really don't like the feel of the steering wheel in my hands. Now, visibility is fantastic out of here. Because you can only put 2 child seats in the back and no central passenger, you've got really good visibility out of the rear window and nice big side mirrors too. The media system in here does seem a little tricky and old school to navigate. It does have built-in sat-nav, which is great, and digital radio, which is nice too. Now, best thing, it has CarPlay, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, that camera image is a little bit pixelated. It does fill the whole screen though, and you can easily turn off those parking sensors with a button down by the driver's right knee. So to sum up with the Honda HRV, it is a shame to have lost that option to carry a 3rd passenger in the back. However, with 2 child seats in the back there, it is really nice and comfortable. The boot space is still really good and that legroom is fantastic in the HRV. I don't know a car that beats it. The drive does feel a little bit basic, but that media system is good.